Welcome to MGM Central Public Schools AI and STEAM Education Program. This special program started 1 year ago and has helped our students become more creative, confident and curious learners. From grade 4 to grade 6, students explore exciting topics like coding, electronics, robotics and simple AI in a fun, hands-on way.
The heart of this program is our AI and STEAM lab. This is a special space where students learn by doing.
Our lab is carefully designed for each age group. Students work with safe and simple tools and AI kits. The step-by-step learning method helps children grow their knowledge every year. By the time they reach higher grades, they are ready to build complex projects and think like young engineers and scientists. Now let's look at a few projects created by our students.
This is an obstacle avoidance robot. This is a small robot that can move without hitting anything. This uses ultrasonic sensors and IR sensors to see what is in front of it.
This is the humanoid robot created by us. It is made for steel bricks and magnets. We also use line handsets or solar motors.
With weekly lab sessions, expert guidance, and fun competitions, our goal is to prepare every child for the future while ensuring they enjoy the process of learning new things.